Do you find it difficult to keep a 1/4 inch seam allowance? Find out how this little purple strip will help your sewing be more precise. Hi, this is Linda, and this is Technical Tidbits. I'm here to help you with tips and tricks to become a better maker. You've heard it a million times. A scant 1/4 inch is what every quilter strives for, but it's hard. I'm going to show you how with these reusable sewing edges. Let's go to the machine and check it out. When you first open the package, you will see this insert, which comes in handy because of all the instructions here. But it also is important to help us line up our purple strips on the sewing machine using these guidelines on this side and here. I need to cut this first before starting out, so let me go do that and I'll meet you at the sewing machine. So here we are at the machine. And you see, I've cut away this portion of the insert and along here. Now, this line is the line I will line up with the sewing machine edge right here. So let me do that. I want to have this line going right under the needle. So once I have this lined up, I can scoot it one way or the other. So now that the machine is lined up, I'm going to line the needle up with this line here for a scant 1/4 inch. Let's move the needle down just about there. Yes, that's it. Let me check. Perfect. Now we're ready to apply the strip. I'm going to line it up right here along the cardstock and below my plate, because this machine opens up here to get to the bobbin case. So this way I won't have to continually change it once I've set it up. There we go. Now I can release. And let's try sewing with our strip in place. So I've got my two fabrics right sides together and they're going to line up right against the strip. And it's just perfect how the fabric will stick to that side and continue through the needle. Let's watch how this works. And here we go. So here we are, a scant 1/4 inch. Let's open it up and add a third strip to test whether or not we have the correct measurements. The third strip, also a 2-inch strip. When I sew these together, they should equal 5 inches when I'm done. Let's line this up again against the purple strip and sew that. Get these straight. And here we go. Let's finger press and see if we've got our 5 inches. So here's the proof in the pudding. My 3 2-inch strips do measure 5 inches. Now watch how easy it is to remove the strips. I simply release and pull, and now I can leave the strip on my machine for use at a later date, or reposition it back onto its original pad. And now I can take these strips with me anywhere, use them on a different machine, at my friend's house on her machine, at a retreat with a different machine that I take for retreats. It's so portable and will keep my seam allowances perfectly aligned to that scant 1/4 inch that every quilter wants. I love these little purple sewing edges. Make them part of your Notions kit. You will find them in the link below. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. This is Linda signing off from Technical Tidbits.